Your Wi-Fi is connected, but the internet still doesn't work. Instead of showing connected, your phone or laptop displays IP configuration failure. Does this mean your router is damaged? Is your internet provider having issues? Or is it just a simple setting that can be fixed in a few minutes? In this video, I'll explain what this error means and share several methods that may help solve it. Before we begin, if you enjoy simple and easy to understand tech videos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Asdip Srivastava for more helpful tutorials. Now let's understand this error first. When you see the IP configuration failure message, it usually means your device is unable to get a valid IP address from the Wi-Fi router. Without a proper IP address, your device cannot communicate with the router correctly, so the internet won't work even if the Wi-Fi network is visible. This problem can happen because of temporary software glitches, incorrect network settings, router issues, or conflicts between your device and the network. Now let's look at the possible solutions. Solution 1. Disconnect and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Start with the simplest method. Turn off Wi-Fi on your device for a few seconds, then turn it back on and reconnect to the same network. Sometimes the IP address is assigned correctly after reconnecting. Solution 2. Forget the Wi-Fi network. If reconnecting doesn't help, open your Wi-Fi settings, select the affected network, choose Forget Network, and then connect to it again by entering the Wi-Fi password. This removes the old network configuration and creates a fresh connection. Solution 3. Restart your router. Temporary router glitches can also cause IP configuration errors. Turn off your router, wait for about 30 to 60 seconds, then power it back on. Once all the lights become stable, reconnect your device and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Restart your device. A temporary software bug on your phone, tablet, or computer may prevent the device from getting a valid IP address. Restart the device completely and try connecting to the Wi-Fi again. Solution 5. Check if other devices have the same problem. Try connecting another phone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi network. If every device shows the same error, the issue is likely with the router or internet connection. If only one device is affected, the problem is probably related to that specific device's settings. Solution 6. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi. Sometimes simply turning Wi-Fi off and back on refreshes the network service and allows the device to request a new IP address from the router. Solution 7. Check router settings. If you have access to your router settings, make sure the DHCP feature is enabled. DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses to connected devices. If it is disabled or misconfigured, devices may display an IP configuration failure message. Solution 8. Update your device. Outdated operating system versions or network drivers can sometimes cause connection problems. If an update is available for your phone, tablet, or computer, installing it may resolve the issue. Solution 9. Reset network settings. If the error still appears, you can try resetting your device's network settings. Keep in mind that this usually removes saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth pairings, so you'll need to reconnect afterward. Solution 10. Contact your internet service provider. If none of the previous methods work, the issue may be related to your router configuration or internet service. Contact your internet provider and explain that your device is showing an IP configuration failure error. They can check your connection and guide you further. That's all for this video. I hope one of these methods helps you fix the IP configuration failure Wi-Fi problem. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Deep Srivastava. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.